You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this type of virus. If you want to learn more medical terms that are confusing, just like this one, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from, pronounced in English as Hantavirus. Let's break down the pronunciation. Hantavirus. Stress on the first syllable, right? The hen syllable. Now, the American pronunciation would be a bit more as Hantavirus, but it's fairly similar. Hantavirus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.